Lipat namin doon.
Sarap talaga ng pagkain Pilipino. Barbecue, oh. Good morning mga kayo. How are you? It's been a while na wala na ka-vlog.
Because it's been raining and it's been so cold.
Yeah, it's been raining in our place and then busy sa work and everything, and then finally the sun comes up now.
The sun
Init
is
na.
out.
Yeah.
The sun is out but still very cold.
It's 56 degrees Fahrenheit in our place, and we're going to have brunch sa Goldilocks. Yes, Goldilocks, miss it. And then mo to me og LBC, we'll be sending 3 laptops sa mga pamangkin namin, mga estudyante, because we get a good deals from Dell, and then we have a friend from Dell working there, and then he gave us a discount.
Employee coupon.
Yeah, employee coupon discount. So samahan nyo kami sa vlog namin. We're going to South San Francisco, Daly City, and it's more colder out there. Okay, see you. We're gonna be traveling now.
Bye-bye.
It's good to have you back, mga kayo, strangers, and everyone, friends and not friends.
I feel not friends.
So it's good to have you back. Welcome back.
What are we taking here, Lala?
101 North and then 380 West and 280 North.
See, that's why I don't drive here, because I can't memorize. That's the airport.
That's the San Francisco International Airport.
SFO. Huh? Wala man yun siya itaas nga buildings. It's just...
Taking a junction 380 West.
Junction 380 West.
Yeah.
Ang lang mga parking. Ang taas lang ang structure, no? Kay para parking. But the international airport is really nice.
And it's busy kaayo.
Pero ang Cebu Airport no, nindot na po siya. Smaller version of it, pero kuha na po. Nindot. Sorry. Layo ba yan? Oh, nainilupad.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what airline is that.
I think that's a Southwest. I don't know. Maybe.
I'm thinking of getting a Tesla. I use Tesla. 20 ro.
So if you can see it, this is the junction. We're entering the junction now, 380 West. Then if you go straight, that's going to San Francisco.
But we're not going to San Francisco.
We're not going there.
We're going to South City or South San Francisco.
Oh yeah.
The city of South San Francisco. Apil pa din ang dako po din. Wide ang airport, dili siya taas. Wide.
Yeah.
Yan na shade terrain. I'm really not good in this right?
It's okay.
Video. I'm not a good videographer.
So that's the South San Francisco logo.
Kanang anha sa Mountain Marabag, Hollywood.
That's a Twin Peaks there.
Asa?
Twin Peaks,
Ano
the
did this?
tower.
makitaan siya. Like, the industrial city din ng San Francisco. City by the bay.
And then here is
YouTube.
on our left is a YouTube office nila.
YouTube headquarters. Di man makitaan?
Almost.
Diyan ako. Hi, Mr. Driver. Drive
Hello.
safely.
I'm driving.
Ito ay kanang buildings. Di man makita. Aray.
Yeah. To your left, that's the YouTube. It's where we upload our videos. That's YouTube, where we upload our videos.
Actually-
bagong building sa YouTube, nahuman na.
Oh, actually, we don't know where their data center is. At least them is there.
And then we're following the Amazon truck delivering.
Jerry wants to do that in the future.
Yeah, Amazon driver for a part-time.
Unya, makuyog ko. When I'm bored.
Ang tawag nila lalabis, Amazon Flex ata.
Amazon Flex.
Yeah. Ako'y nakita nga vlogger pod nga mag-asawa sila kanang they do this like part-time.
Nya ako ikaw itig drive lang niya, ako itig naog dig
Yeah,
picture.
ikaw take drop.
Can we try?
Yeah, we can try.
Nya, pabay
Now
lang ta.
we're exiting Westborough.
Can we use our own car?
We're using our own car.
Oh, dili day na inato ba? I wanted
No.
to have that van.
For that one, dili ka makakuyog, pero kung kaning sakyan na naton daton makakuyog ka.
Ooh. Then take my car because my car needs
Yeah,
kanang.
and it's bigger.
Can you sign up? Let's try.
Okay, let's.
You like driving anyway.
We're entering the South San
Asa
Francisco.
pick up po
na.
ng mga packages.
They have the center na dito ang kuan.
O kanang locker.
No, the warehouse.
Asa man ang closest sa ato?
I don't know yet.
Siglayo.
We're almost there. It's Goldilocks. It's one of the famous store in
The Philippines.
the Philippines. Goldilocks.
Basta ka kung kanano, I wanna eat siomai. I know it doesn't taste as good, but I miss siomai. So I might as well just eat. This is Westborough.
Okay, Westborough Square
Yeah.
in South San Francisco.
Maybe I'll buy something here. There's a favorite kuan po. There's a good kanang coffee place, the Paris Baguette, pero I'm tempted to go there, but we came here for Goldilocks, so we might as well just go. Goldilocks. Miyata na yung car.
It's Akira.
Oh, turay, ni gawas. Oh, ni tarong di ay. Buka na. Oh,
Here, there's a lot of parking. This area is busy too.
it's go on crowded.
Crowded.
Patabukas dudong kay nagkape.
Yes.
Maybe we can get to your parking spot.
I think they're going out. Or what? No, they're not going out. They're going to Goldilocks too.
Okay. Maybe we can park a little further. I don't mind walking
Okay.
in my nice shoes. I'm flexing my shoes. Unya, akong ipakita akong shoes. My shoes. May parkingan dito?
Yep. I think so.
Una is naikuan lab empty
There, we
spot.
can park there.
Kani? Okay. Kani.
It's too tight. I'm sorry.
Try. Dapat sa van.
There's
Curbside man.
Walgreens parking only there. Straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Sharo.
Walang ka. Hirap-hirap.
Even
Okay.
me can park here. What's going on there?
Free
Girl
taste.
Scout?
Free taste.
Is that Girl Scout cookies?
Okay, let's go. We're here.
So cold.
I'll tell you. Now we're entering Goldilocks. Yes, they're open. So, welcome to Goldilocks. That's all they got. Oh, they got pusit. Yung pagkaon nila. I like the pusit. That's sarap. Okay. Ano nila pagkaon? So we ordered mami, munggo, pusit, siupaw, and carioca for our lunch. Yummy.
Where are we going, Nana?
LBC.
We're sending 3 laptops. I can only afford to send one.
Bumili kami ng pork bone para sa sinigang. Ito yung pang sinigang nila na ready-made na. So wala ka nang gagawin. Pero medyo mahal lang, pero okay na. Itong pampakbit, lalagyan namin ng shrimp. Ito namang isa pang ginataan, shrimp din ang lalagay namin dito. So itong adobo cut, gagawing chicken adobo. Tsaka may mangga, ahos. Ito pang vermicelli. Ito pansit. So, yan yung grocery namin ngayon kasi nakapunta kami ng Seafood City after sa Goldilocks nag-lunch and then sa LBC nagpadala ng laptop para sa aming mga pamangkin. So, I guess that's it. Seafood City, it has everything Pinoy. Lahat nandito na. Hi, bossing. Okay, see you later. Magbabayad muna kami. Pakita ko sa inyo mga tao dito. Halos lahat Pilipino. It's a Saturday. Everybody went out for a grocery. Daming tao. Mga Filipino, ang dami. Punta tayo sa street food. Yung street food nila. Sarap ng quick-quick. Hotdog. Isaw. Betamax. Uy, balot. Sarap nitong balot. Mani. Sarap. So, it's a self-service, pick your own. Good. Jollibee and Red Ribbon. Ito yung pinunta namin, pandesal. Ang presyo,
A dozen.
one dozen is $7.25. We're done for the day. We have lunch at Goldilocks, and then we drop by laptops at LBC and do grocery shopping at Seafood City. And then we bought pandesal. Nakadakoy lang pandesal.
Pero mahal kayo, $7.25 for 12.
12. So, lami pagkaayo siya.
Pero mahal. Mahal siya.
So, pandesal for the road before going home.
Oh, sige. Okay.
But, bye mga kayo. I hope you have a good day because we're having a good day. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to each of you. Content creator making videos on the